My stomach is so empty. Hey, help me to go find something to eat. Come on, everybody, here we go. I see a big carrot. Do you like carrots? Mama said I have to eat all my vegetables and I don't have to. Hey, let's go over and eat that nice juicy apple. I hope there's not a worm inside. Do you smell what I smell? That's watermelon. Oh, taste that. Oh, smell that delicious watermelon. Ha! There's a fork in the road. Which way to go? Oh, it smells so yummy in here. I can hear all those tasty apple crackers calling me. Come here, little Heimlich. We're waiting for you to eat us. Oh. I just love treats and sweets. They're my favorite things to eat. I'm so full I cannot move. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I'm going back for a second. Oh, my favorite candy corn. Oh, delicious. Oh. I'm going to drop you off so I can go back for seconds. Goodbye, my friends. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Come back again and visit me. Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables. I miss you already.